Good morning everyone. This is a video on exponents of class 8. We have studied exponent in class 7, so we'll just have a brief discussion on the formulas regarding this chapter. Suppose 2 has been multiplied 5 times, then we can write 2 to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5. Here 2 is base and 5 is known as exponent, or we can even say it as power. Suppose 3 has been multiplied 4 times. We can write it as 3 raised to the power 4. Here 3 is base and 4 is power. If minus 3 by 2 has been multiplied 3 times, then we can write it as minus 3 by 2 raised to power 3. If minus 7 is multiplied 5 times, then we can write it as minus 7 raised to the power 5. Here minus 7 is base and 5 is power. Let us recall the formulas regarding this chapter. The first law is if a by b raised to power m into a by b raised to power n, if both the parts have the same base and the powers are different, then we can write it as a by b raised to power m plus n. If there is a multiply sign in between, then we can simply just add the powers. Example, 5 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 2. We can write it as 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2. Since there is a multiply sign in between, therefore the power will add up, and we can simply write it as 5 raised to the power 5. The second example, minus 2 by 3 to the power 4 into minus 2 by 3 to the power 2. If the bases are same and there is a multiply sign in between, then the powers simply add up. Minus 2 by 3 raised to power 4 plus 2, or we can simply write it as minus 2 by 3 to the power 6. The second law, if a by b raised to power m divided by a by b to the power n, if there is a division sign in between, then the parts simply get subtracted. Like 4 raised to power 4 divided by 4 raised to power 2, there is a division sign in between, therefore the power will get subtracted. That is 4 to the power 4 minus 2, that is 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2, we can just expand it as 4 into 4. Since the power is 2, therefore 4 into 4, that is 16. The second example, minus 3 by 5 to power 5 divided by minus 3 by 5 to power 3. Since there is a division sign in between, therefore this power will simply get subtracted, and we can write it as minus 3 by 5 to power 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Yes, 2 कहाँ से आया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे बीच में एक डिवीजन का साइन है और बेस सेम है, इसीलिए ये दोनों पार सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ, एंड वी कैन राइट इट एज minus 3 by 5 to power 2. And if you need to expand it, then we can write minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5, that is minus 3 into minus 3, 9, 5 into 5, 25. The third law, a by b to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Suppose 2 to power 0, 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Minus 3 to raised to power 0 is 1. Minus 2 by 5 raised to power 0 is 1. A raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. The fourth law, a by b raised to power m again raised to power n. अगर ये लगातार ऐसे दोनों पार्ट लिखे हुए हैं just separated by a bracket, then we can simply write it as a by b raised to power m into n. ये दोनों जो पार है, ये दोनों पार्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. Like example, minus 2 by 3 raised to power 4 again raised to power 2. We can write it as minus 2 by 3 raised to power 4 into 2. ये दोनों जो पार्स थे वो दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो गए. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 2 by 3 to power 8. अगर इस एक्सपैंड करना है इसको, तो minus 2 by 3 will multiply it 8 times, and the final answer would be 256 by 6561. The fifth law, a by b to the power m, we can simplify it as a by a to power m by b to power m. Example 2 by 3 to the power 4. We can simplify it as 2 to power 4. 2 का अलग power 4 रहा, 3 का अलग power 4 हुआ. 2 power 4 but just multiply 2 4 times since base is 2 and power is 4. तो 2 को 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया गया और 3 को भी 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया गया. The final result 16 by 81. The sixth law, a by b to power minus m. This time जब power is in negative, we can write it as b by a to power m. नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव बन गया और अंदर का जो बेस है वो क्या हुआ, वो रेसिप्रोकल हो गया. एग्जाम्पल 2 by 3 टू पावर माइनस 2. पावर माइनस में है, क्या कीजिए, पावर को प्लस में कीजिए और अंदर का जो बेस है उसको रेसिप्रोकल कीजिए. 2 by 3 था, यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, 3 by 2 हो गया. 3 by 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 2 बार. 3 by 2 इंटू 3 by 2 दैट इज 9 by 4. द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, इफ माइनस 3 by 2 टू द पावर माइनस 4. माइनस 4 पावर है तो माइनस 4 पावर है, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट माइनस 3 by 2 to power minus 4 can be written as 2 by minus 3 to power 4. पॉजिटिव पावर बना, पॉजिटिव पावर रहा और क्या हुआ, अंदर का जो बेस है वो रेसिप्रोकल हो गया. सिंस नेगेटिव साइन कैन नॉट स्टे एट द डिनोमिनेटर, इसको क्या ट्रांसफर कर दिए, वी हैव ट्रांसफर्ड इट टू द न्यूमरेटर. माइनस 2 by 3 to power 4. Minus 2 by 3 to power 4. Since the power is 4, therefore minus 2 by 3 will be multiplied 4 times and the final result will be 16 by 81. Thank you.